Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you the coloring of mushroom with a very simple and easy method of shading. In previous video, I have shown you the drawing of mushroom. You can check the description box.
For the first thing is, we are going to start with the background, and for that I will be using a light blue color. We will be holding a light blue color in a sleeping direction, as we don't want to do it very dark, and lightly we are going to start coloring in a sleeping direction. So as you can see, I am holding my color in a sleeping direction, and without applying more pressure, I am going to color it. Let me zoom my picture a little more so that you can see this clearly. So here I am continuing with my coloring. Okay, I am not going to apply more pressure. As you can see, I am doing it very lightly, and now let me quickly complete the coloring of background. So I am completing the background, and in meantime let me just remind you that we are going to color the whole background lightly. We don't have to apply any more pressure while coloring the background. So I'll just complete on the other side also. And once your background is completed, we will be starting with the coloring of the mushroom.
Let us begin with the coloring of mushroom. Today we'll be doing shading in this mushroom, and for that I'm going to show you a very simple and easy method of doing shading. We will be using a dark red and light red. With the dark red, I will be giving outline to the mushroom, the dome shape. As you can see, I have started doing the border line. On border, I will be coloring with the dark red neatly, and then with my light red, I will be coloring inside. Now, if you don't have a light red, you can use your orange color. So there will be a shading with red and orange color. So here completes my outline. So here the border is completed, and now we have to color outside the ovals. With the same dark red color, we have to give the coloring outside the ovals. Here I complete with the coloring of dark red color, and now we have to start coloring inside the white portion. So I will be using light red color. As I told, if you are not having light red color, you can use your orange color, and quickly start coloring inside the white portion which is left out. We are not going to color inside the spots, remember that. And I'm zooming my picture so that you can see it clearly. As you can see, the coloring of the dome is completed, and now we will be coloring the spots. For that, I will be using dark yellow and giving the outline to the spots. The ovals that we have drawn, I will be giving outline, and inside with the light yellow I will be coloring. Okay, I'll zoom the picture and I will show you. Similarly, here also, if you don't have light yellow and dark yellow, you can use orange and yellow color. Orange will come outside and inside you can do yellow color. So now we will quickly complete with all the spots. Also, in these small spots, you can use any one color, whether a dark yellow or a light yellow, as it is little difficult to color inside with the shading. So now here you can see I am quickly completing with all the spots. Now let us start with the stem. For that I will be using dark brown and a light brown, or else you can even use your brown color and ochre yellow color. So let me show you with this only. We'll take brown color for the border, that is we will be coloring on the borders with the dark brown color, and then inside we will be coloring with the yellow ochre color. So you can even use your dark brown as well as light brown. When we are doing the shading, this is the simple and easy way to do the shading with dark and light colors. So here completes the stem also, and with the similar pattern of dark and light color, we will be quickly coloring the grass also. And here I have started with the dark green and the light green. So my dark green border is completed, and inside I am starting with the light green color. This is the similar pattern which I have used while coloring the mushroom, dark and light. And now we will be starting the coloring of clouds and raindrops. For the raindrops I will be using one blue color because it is a very small portion. I won't be doing any shading. You can use medium blue or else a dark blue. And after that we will be completing with the clouds. Again in the clouds we will be doing the same technique. Dark color outline and light color inside. See, you can see I have taken the dark grey and light grey. So with the dark grey I am doing border, and inside I am going to use light grey. Now if you have only one grey color, you can do it a single grey color. Now our background is completed and we will be working on the foreground. For the ground coloring I will be taking brown color. I have taken here dark brown color. You can take medium brown or a light brown. But the similar way in which we colored the sky, we are going to use the same technique for coloring the ground. We are going to hold our color in a sleeping direction and do it without applying more pressure. So once the coloring of the ground portion is over, we will quickly complete the green color grasses. You have to use a single color as it is a very small portion for coloring. The shading will be little difficult, so you can use medium green, light green and dark green randomly to complete the grasses. And once our grasses are completed, only snail is left for coloring. And let me zoom the picture so that you can see the coloring of snail little properly. For the snail, we are going to use pink color in the body. It can be any pink color which is available with you. We are going to do a single coloring, no shading over here. it's a very small portion. We'll color the face and the tail. And now in the shell, we will be using dark brown and light brown. And in the same pattern, we are going to do the coloring of shell. Outline with the dark brown. I am going to give outline even in the spiral line. And as you can see, the white portion which is left, we will be coloring with the brown, or it can be even a light brown. So here our picture is completed. As you can see,